Hi.
This is Adina, 2 years old, getting ready for Purim. She is a beautiful honeybee.
Purim, yeah. You're gonna be a bee. Yeah, you're a bee. Let me see you fly like a bee.
Oh, I think I'm upside down.
How does a bee fly? More flying.
Woo!
And run around. Let me see you fly. And run.
Woo!
Run.
Adina's flying. Adina, what about a ballerina? Adina ballerina?
How does a bee twirl? Can a bee spin in a circle?
So pretty. Woo!
Don't get dizzy.
Okay, that's good spinning, Booba.
Woo!
You're dizzy.
Adina, let's go outside.
Come, we're gonna go take pictures.
I'm gonna have shoes over
You
here.
only...